welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I have food towel,
Food color.
spoon, dropper, glass of water, and ice tray. Nah, that's ice tray. No. I'm just
What you are trying to do?
getting. Let's see how much. Is this much enough?
Yes.
More. Pumping into here. Pumping the up. Done. And the spoon. Now mixing it. Now put it aside. Now pour it into the ice tray. Filling up with hot.
What you will do afterward?
Making colorful ice.
Okay,
Should I
we'll
pump it?
make colorful ice.
Paint it up. Help. My ice is ready. Let's take it out. See my colorful ice. It's melting.
See the direction of bubbles, where they are going.
Down now.
Why it's settling down, Shivam?
Because water density is higher than iron.
You can add one more ice.
See, Mama? Water is down, iron is up.
Why?
That's iron density is whiter than water. You want that in the next video, remember?
Yes.